In our last video in this credit education series, we'll answer two pressing questions about credit repair companies. But first, let's understand why these companies exist. Credit repair companies play a crucial role in our financial ecosystem. They help individuals improve their credit scores by challenging inaccurate information on credit reports. This is vital as your credit score can impact everything from loan approvals to interest rates. So, how do credit repair companies work? They basically help you dispute inaccurate information on your credit report. If the credit bureaus agree that the information is inaccurate, they will remove it from your report. This can help to improve your credit score. Let's dive into our first question. Are credit repair companies legal? The short answer is yes. Under the federal law, specifically the Credit Repair Organizations Act, or CROA, credit repair companies are indeed legal. They must comply with certain rules, like providing written contracts and a clear explanation of your legal rights. Moving on to our second question, can credit repair companies remove collections? Yes, but with a caveat. If a collection account on your credit report is inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable, a credit repair company can challenge it. If the credit bureaus cannot verify the information within 30 days, they must remove it. However, remember that accurate and verifiable negative information cannot be removed legally. Credit repair is something of a challenge for the average consumer. This is where Nuecred comes in. We offer credit repair services that challenge any inaccuracies on your credit report and boost your credit score. However, it's important to remember that credit repair is not a quick fix solution or a way to erase accurate information. It's about ensuring that your credit report accurately represents your financial history. So, if you're ready to navigate the complexities of credit repair, reach out to Nuecred today. Let's work together to improve your financial future.